How to fix fast charging not working on Moto G77. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, restart phone, click power button and volume up button at that time. Restart device from here. After restarting, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app and make sure enable fast charging button. After enable fast charging button, scroll down and click on search settings. After click on search settings and search software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so check your charger, check power cable and adapter. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix fast charging not working on Moto G77. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.